Welcome back to another video. In this one I'll be fitting magnetic catches to all the doors in the camper van. I looked at various different options for keeping the door shut during transit, including catches and the standard camper van type latches. But I wasn't really a fan of the look of any of these, so in the end I decided to use strong magnetic catches. These were invisible from the outside, but they're also nice and strong and they keep the doors closed whilst driving. They were fitted using screws on the cupboard frames, and then the metal strip was placed onto the magnet with a sticky pad on the back, and then the door closed to stick this onto the door. I repeated this for all the lower cupboards, and then I did the same for the overhead storage. Finally, I added a magnetic catch to the sliding doors into the rear storage area.
Just got the last magnet to fit under here. It's going to attach onto there, but then obviously the metal piece that receives needs to sit out like that. So I'm just going to attach a little block, which will then sit against there. And magnet shut. So I'm going to attach this piece first, just decide where I want it. Just call it there. There. Spray some activator on that. Super glue onto this. Spot on. and that should shut. Stick with the magnet and open nicely. Perfect. So there we go, you can see. Shut. Nicely fit together, and then open. Stays together nicely. Perfect.
In the next video, I'll be wiring up the van and doing all the electrics, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. Thank you as always for watching. Please like the video, it really does help the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.